YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know. Dan is back in the lab. You see what we're doing today? Today we're there with Swan Dan. You see me, I say, the one of them no competition. Prince Swanny, you don't know, continuing his tremendous run in the Trinity by dancehall scene. And it's just dancehall scene, you know, in general. You know what I'm saying? He definitely be doing his thing every time. It's always a good look, always a good experience listening to his music and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Definitely one of my favorite artists on Trinidad for sure. As I said, Prince Swanny, no competition. Check it out on Sway Dog. I deal with nothing wrong with vibe much longer. Before we do, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know the channel is growing. Which we're growing pretty good. We're almost there at 10K, guys. I decided to hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know the best reaction channel on YouTube. Without a doubt. Let's get it. Prince Swanny, no competition. Let's get it.
Bust it. Run it again, KP. Bust it, bust it, bust it.
I like how the bass just hit you off rip. Go ahead.
Bust it.
No competition. Now look like you on some roaring thing, some rivalry thing. Okay.
Bad guy, I know that I'm a bad cousin. Yeah. Free all my dogs in the house, dog. Show about the tall K or the Hondas. But shot so real if you ask about we. The amount of weed, me wonder if my lungs puncture. Pull up on your bitch, she get she number. One time she get wet from the thunder. So she really love.
But please, so much more we on there, my lungs puncher. Pull up on your girl, bet you say she get the number. She get wet like a quantum.
But shot so real if you ask about we. The amount of weed, me wonder if my lungs puncture. If you pull up on your bitch, she get she number. One time she get wet from the thunder. So she really love the grizz when they done talk. Instantly she turn me passenger. Drive round money multiply in a real, you know we live in this life. Crunch time, bad bitch, you know she dead beside. She give me brain when we pushing the drive. Fun time, in the club, you know me kills them pack. We make it rain, watch you girl them must clap. We do this free while the boy them
go on tune, man.
cap a couple hundred and me spend on the cars. See it, free all my dogs in the house, dog. Show about the tall K or the Hondas. But shot so real if you ask about we. The amount of weed, me wonder if my lungs puncture. If you pull up on your bitch, she get she number.
Go on tune.
One time she get wet from the thunder. So she really love the grizz when they done talk. Instantly she turn me passing. This I know it could dog time. We living it outside. The pussy them feel man puzzle. Run up on me any day, anytime. Just to guard the dark. But me no use muzzle. So my dogs we kill boy by dozen. Fuck them. All who play with trouble. Dog look up for a double. Tell you ones who
Why by the dozen them all who want get trouble. Go on tune.
just to guard the dark. But me no use muzzle. So my dogs we kill boy by dozen.
Dog for me, the dog for me no use muscle boy. I know that. So when you hear dog bark, you know.
But me no use muzzle. So my dogs we kill boy by dozen. Fuck them. All who play with trouble. Dog look up for a double. Tell the ones who pay them for free, my cousins. Money we make, dog, no competition. Me never go and pre my brother. All we depend on mission. The fuck with this one, they might get sprayed with the pepper. K, cheddar, pepper, spray, pepper, spray, pepper, spray. Mash them head like the lemon, and fuck them gal upon my bed and lay. Free all my dogs in the house, dog. Show about the
Oh, this bad. This bad one.
on a mission, the fuck with this one, they might get sprayed with the pepper. K, cheddar, pepper, spray, pepper, spray, pepper, spray. Mash them head like the lemon, and fuck them gal upon my bed and lay. Free all my dogs in the house, dog. Show about the tall K or the Hondas. But shot so real.
So remember my dog in the house, dog. She bought the talkie or the under.
Show about the tall K or the Hondas. But shot so real if you ask about weed. The amount of weed, me wonder if my lungs puncture. If you pull up on your bitch, she get she number. One time she get wet from the thunder. So she really love the grizz when they done talk. Instantly she turn me passenger. Wicked and bad, we are the white, we are the fucking blue. No clue. You understand? What? One thing we not gonna do is bow, you see me?
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, it's Prince Swanny. Yeah, man. Shout out to Prince Swanny. No competition. That's a vibe. I like that one. That's getting added to the playlist for sure. You gotta get the vibe back. Get the energy back, man. Get the groove back. Get the vibe, the chemistry, the charisma, everything back. We're just getting, you know. Hey, man. You already know. 2025, for the rest of 2025, man, I hope y'all go after y'all dreams, you know what I'm saying? Become the person that y'all finally want to become, get the skill that you always wanted to have, you know what I'm saying? Pursue whatever you want to pursue. Hopefully use the rest of 2025, 2026, and beyond to do that, all right? Now, I am gonna be start dropping some motivational videos. You could say just some reasoning videos, some chill videos when I'm talking to you guys. You know what I'm saying? Some self betterment videos. I'm gonna be dropping that on the channel. So hopefully you guys support that. Yes, me a like when I drop. But yeah, I'm gonna be making videos where I just come through and just talking and just chopping up with y'all. You know what I'm saying? About stuff that concern, you know what I'm saying, people like us, you know what I'm saying, that concern, you know, men or young guys our age and age group that going through stuff that we going through, and you know, on the pursuit of the goals and, you know what I'm saying, dreams that we're on the pursuit of. Basically, we're just gonna tap in, talk about different stuff, share different advice, you know, ask different questions, stuff like that. I'm type of the videos I'm gonna be dropping. So look out for that, guys, and you know, hit a like, you know, get a subscribe, show some support when it does drop. But yeah, shout out to Prince Swanny. Really enjoyed that track. No competition. He did his thing. The beat was crazy. You know what I'm saying? The beat, I like the beat. I like it. It takes you back to like old school dancehall, but gives you that new mix with, I don't know, I don't think that was an 808 drum. But I just like the whole makeup of it. Would you give it that like hip hop vibe as well? Shout out to Prince Swanny, really dope artist. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog, not the host dog. She wore the kids on the host dog. Los Poncha. Where did I hear that flow before? Did I hear that flow before? I'm not sure. But shout out to Prince Swanny. Really enjoyed that track. Hope he keeps doing his thing. Prince Swanny's on a great run. Hope he get it up. Keep it up. Shout out to Trinidad. Shout out to Trinidad. You already know, fam. We're back and active. No joke. You already know. Let's get it.